Askis, if I look a little pale today, if I look like a little, a little Caucasian, I promised whoever saw the video before, I think it still has like 2 views. Oksala, at the end of the day, it's a beautiful thing to be doing what I want to do. I promised y'all that I would be posting a video. I will release that video at a later time. I'll film that video at a later time. Why? Because I took a whole week researching and preparing for that video, including a Saturday and Sunday. And I'll film it like another time. Because of that week, I am like a week behind schedule. And if you know about rewriting nets in June, you know that there's time and there's time. And then there's also time. Those times must not be timed. I have to start differential calculus today. So today will just be a math study session and you can just study with me. A very, very boring video, I know, but like I think that it will help some people. So today's session is gonna be really simple, really easy. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be listening to music while going through the theory of it. I'm not gonna be watching any videos right now today on differential calculus. I'll do that on Thursday because that's when my schedule says that I'll be doing differential calculus again. It was 10:10 last I checked, so I will be like starting up until it's 11:30. Then I'll be taking a break. It's already 10:30. Yeah, I need to start. And I'll take a break at and it's just time. I'm going to something very funny. No, I don't you. Basically, I'm waiting for this. So I already told you what I'll be doing. I hate the subject and I hate what I'm doing and I hate the fact that I have to rewrite. I think that mathematics is like Genghis Khan. And then I heard that this year, last year, the year of when I was in matric will be the last year where maths lit will be allowed to be taken as a subject. Everyone now has to take pure maths. What about the people who are mathematically dyslexic? What about all of these other people? What about all of these other people? And when you have like a disability and stuff, you are marked the same way everyone else is. That's what my visual arts teacher told me. I think that's just so like not sure if that makes sense. Is there a way to make Apple Music to download it on PC? And don't tell me, oh, what about tunes? What about tunes? I can get the tunes. Can you get the Apple Music? Because I don't have Spotify. I asked for it. Didn't get it. An app. An app. APP. Can you see? For 1,500 Rand. An app for 1,500 Rand. An app for 1,500 Rand. Who are you? No offense, Mara. An app for 1,500 Rand. Every time I look at it, it reminds me of Mr. Kevin Medicine Science. How many topics have I currently studied so far? 6 out of the 10 topics. Shout out to me. I've covered 6. I've started with 6 out of the 10. Oh, big ups to me, bro. Big ups to me. I thought I've only learned 2. Shout out to me, dog. Shout out to me.
Shout out to me, dog. Chad in the remix.
That was deplorable. I do apologize. Today. I smelled mushrooms. You know when you have breakfast with mushrooms, rations, sunny side up eggs, beans, and toast. You know, you remember that when you start smelling mushrooms, you just know that like you are hungry. And now I'm hungry and my stomach is grumbling and it hurts. But if I go out right now, and I'm actually gonna get emotional talking about it. If I go out right now, there's obviously food there, but like at the same time I can't really go out and make anything because my mother's currently busy making a mix. It's a mix of food, but it's not food that I can eat. Does that make sense? It's like It's food prep. It's meal prep. Yes, it's meal prep. I can't eat the meal prep. No, umuntu wesifazane. I'm no more umuntu wesifazane. What are you gonna do now? A woman's supposed to, okay, I'm no longer a woman. I'm an alien sent from planet Nisra. And ain't like scratch that. I'm not an alien anymore. I'm back to being a woman. For sec, don't tell me what to do. Oh, that was strong. Just don't tell me what to do. Leave me alone. Oh, yeah, I said I was gonna perform for y'all quickly while I'm waiting for this thing to load. I'm looking at a blank page. Can you hear me? I bet you can. Ha 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 yeah. Shout out to me. That was actually a little bit difficult. Why? Because never doubt a dancer. Oh, you just insulted me now through the screen. Your granny. Fixing this rogue monkey here. Hi. It's not work. I stuck a bobby pin through it. Mark my words.
That's all that I have.
Cause you don't understand. It all just sounds like. Ooh, too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers. I can't buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. Oh, I wait, eternity, hanging home for me. And I know you've been waiting for your loving all day. Why you gotta be so rude? You know the guy who's saying, why you gotta be so rude? He's the one who wrote, as long as you love me. As long as you love me. I'm still waiting for this thing to load. As long as you love me. We're under pressure. 7 billion people in the world trying to fit in and keep it together. Smile in your face even though your heart is frowning. And then I know the dance. Test me right now. I know the dance. Ain't like, as long as you love me, yeah. We could be broke. As long as you love me. Whoa. Why is whoa? I'm taking off my shoes. It's my shoes. It's my shoes. As long as you love me. Wait, as long as you love me, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, I'll be your gold. And as long as you. I know the dance, but now that I physically have to do it, my brain is not computing. La 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 la. This is not the dance. Ish, you caught me. I don't know the dance. You caught me. How do you feel? Look at my screen. There's nothing happening. What am I supposed to do with that? Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. If they copyright me for my voice, I'll be highly complimented. The elites know the song. Can you hear me now? Hey, hey. Am I getting closer? Closer. Can you hear me now? Hey. Can you get Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. What is talent? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with. What's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob. Stop playing when you know that they call me up the Bob. At this point, I'm gonna give up and go and watch Tangled. No, because my time is being played with. I've restarted this thing 3 times. I've only been doing this for 2 days. No, I'm serious. I'm gonna give up and go and watch Bobby Rapunzel Tangled. Play with me in French and Japanese. I'm so annoyed right now. I'm so annoyed and tired. I'm so annoyed and tired. I'm so annoyed and tired. And what's sad is that it would run smoothly. Oh, now it's running. Wow, it starts running. I'm furious. Ah, what? No, I just can't figure it out. What? No, guess I'll just wait it out. Wait it out. What now? Somebody tell me. At 11, I'm leaving. What now? There's no one to call because I'm just playing games with them all. The more I swear I'm happy, the more I don't feel anymore. Cause I'm spending every hour stuck going through the motions. I can't even get the emotions to come out. Cry like a fool, but I just wanna shout. My computer crashed. Like it just crashed. Is Apple Music too much for you? Which is crazy because I've been making programs on this thing. I was busy here making programs, big programs with databases, and now it's crashing for Apple Music. I want you to breathe me in. Let me be your hand. Let me roam your body freely. No inhibitions, no fear. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Yo, that's me trying to move. Calming music. This is some calming music. This is some calming music. This is some study music. This is some calming music. This is some calming music. This is some calming music. This is some study music. This is some calming music. This is some calming music. This is some calming music. This is some study music. This is some